All right, so back at it again. Monday, Sunday. Monday, Fun Day. Uh, that ain't even how it go, but that's how I'm gonna say it anyway.
Contract's actually moving though. Might still trade it to get that build.
Just watching price right now. I'm trying to see some looking like I thought market was gonna keep going up. No, that rally is over. It was like a 9-day rally. It's over. Uh, yeah, market had did a little gap down. So let's see what.
That's a something right at 280 now though.
I do got Apple up.
Yeah, I got a little bit of the 285, but still
Right.
watching.
Very weak.
Then take 45. Just need to hopefully get the relief because I don't look like price selling it. It's so obvious. I'm also loading the 1050 puts on Netflix, guys.
It's weakness coming in on Apple. I like that 202 level. Break that.
202 is huge.
Damn, Apple just flipped.
Hopefully Tesla gets a little bounce here.
I noticed.
Buy stuff on demand.
Book gotta have like
Levels are
10
holding on
bars or
spot.
something in it.
282 is that, sorry, 562. Come on, give me a little pop.
Got a hammer. I'll be reading this book today.
Guys, I got filled on Tesla. 320 average. I'm going to use 383 as stop for this position. $1 risk, okay? Sorry, 283. So that's going to be the risk for this. I have the 265 puts at 320.
Just waiting patiently, waiting for like a. They take Apple. I'm looking at the video as well. It's like they moving up, which is interesting.
Andy ripping.
Interesting.
Yeah, contract's barely moved though. I just don't want to touch it with earnings tomorrow.
Pretty sure he's speaking upon AMD. Nah, they earnings
I like this Apple break that.
One AMD got earnings. Oh, yeah, tomorrow, Tuesday. Cool. Oh, 460 at the high. That's Friday, post market.
Guys, I've taken a trump here. 12%. Come on, break to 80.
Apple for the retest. Unless they just print it. Oh, never mind. I ain't even look at the how long until the candle had to close. But I want to say this is
282 trail stop. Okay. I want to see if this 280 breaks here. This is the
I want to
level.
reclaim 202.50. Like it just flushing a bit.
Let me be done for the day.
Yeah, I'm gonna load the Apple 200 puts.
Here you go, guys. More than 13% here. Come on, more. Give me more. 282 trail stop, guys. It's either it goes or it doesn't now. It's as simple as that. Hopefully it does. Come on. Lose. They're still trying. So I can break this 280. 562 is the breakdown level. Perfect timing on this. This needs to go now.
Damn, what's the name?
Wow.
Vertical again, bro. My
I
damn
actually moved well too.
active trader, bro. I don't know why my shit vertical, bro. Shit always do this shit. I really need to know how to change it for real.
That's a flip on Qs too. Back under 45.
Interesting.
Spot needs to lose 562 though, so that pre-market level.
It's my long trigger on Friday, the same area. We are right there right now.
562.
This is where I entered now on Friday. I covered it in the pre-market, guys. You guys go watch that video. It's actually playing out exactly like that. There we go. Come on, Tesla.
Apple
The
just
only one.
flushing down for real.
Pretty good.
Crazy move. I ain't gonna say crazy move.
Make sure you take trumps, guys.
Nice little move.
Because we've got into a breakdown. These ones are like not that crazy, but still good return. Right. Can't complain. Sub 17% now.
I'm back. Consolidation maybe. Look like he struggled to break below that 21. Up move on the video. Off the open.
Levels holding well. You just need to lose 280 now.
Crazy.
You
move
got the
on
liquidity from this stuff. But we need to see that break though.
That's crazy. I guess Nvidia is pulling them up. But, yeah, Nvidia AVGO, Meta. I guess Google as well. That's crazy. Interesting.
I think we look good alongside though. Here in SPY. 562 is defending. Q is above 45. Let's see how this next candle is.
Apple's going down to 200.
Apple 202 worked nicely.
Damn, so did.
Didn't even retrace back into it at all.
Very nice candle.
I was
guys.
just beat
Wow.
me to it. Yeah, just then. Feel me?
New low of day here.
Maybe, I mean, nigga could have rolled momentum. Could have rolled momentum.
Following just levels, guys. SPY needs to lose is 562. If it does, I think we are in the right name. There you go. Holy shit. Wow.
When do we have data?
Oh my god.
Oh, tomorrow. Tomorrow, Wednesday.
Up 20% here, guys. 278 is that level. Watch this level on Tesla.
I know I
from
could have went
Friday.
to the left as well. Shut up.
So 278 is still there. So take trumps. Now I'm moving my stops to 281. 262 on SPY is big. I just hope we lose it. 562.
If we lose it, we downtrend today. If we hold it, we uptrend. But I
Yeah.
just want to get a clear picture. It may take 10 o'clock to find out what it's going. Or it just isn't out. Let's see.
Yeah, I just didn't want to miss the momentum. I
But
knew this was one of the. Right?
you're seeing a lot of volume coming in now. Be patient so far.
Hopefully, all of you caught this. I mean, you guys know my bias and everything from Friday, so. Yeah.
Gang
Yeah, our SPY swings are nicely green here.
But you taking cash
Kind
on
of
the
a
side,
562.
bro.
So kind of
I
holding.
can still, yo. That shit bent on the floor. Give a 5 to your hole. They want 100 or loyal, but I can say that I knew. Put it run on for long, cause I don't know what to do. I don't want to talk.
Right, Mike, can you hear me?
on.
Yes.
Yeah.
I ain't trying to be rude. Back to back rolling up, thinking about my next move. So we really got to clear above VWAP or really close below this shit. What is that?
Come on, 278.
561. Cause it just ranging. Bad to bad
Some
rolling
of
up.
them held Tesla short over the
Oh,
weekend.
shit. Look at the volume on.
So
What's it?
yeah, I mean that's not a bad idea to be honest, but yeah, it's just
Under 280, I had that on my watch list as well. Under 280 is now it's 270s. Hopefully it builds for you.
best entries was at the highest, like just had to like do it. But at the open, it was kind of hard to signal that. I mean, I had my bias, but I was prepared to keep adding because it's a Monday, right?
Right.
How do I even do that?
It's still on 20% here. 278 needs to go down, guys.
Hey, I'm still trying to get used to my keyboard and shit, bro. For real. Yeah, bro. New keyboard on.
Look at that whipsaw on SPY here. Again, another 562 minutes here.
What are these? Aqua.
Another set of data.
Aqua, what's the name?
10 o'clock, yeah.
Key caps or whatever the fuck they call it. For my PC nerds. Yeah, you see how that shit wicked out the level. Then look at the next. Look how it's kind of. That shit went all the way back
Yeah,
down.
Microsoft. There are some betas that are ripping. Some betas that are selling.
Play.
Shit, AMD up. Damn. See that ABGO.
All right, that looks pretty good to me. Now the moment I want to go long on SPY. Now this trade looks good.
I told him like 562 though. It's the only thing that's like kind of preventing Tesla from building.
The issue is I want to go long now on SPY, but we have data in 4 minutes. This is the first time SPY actually looks good today.
There's like a few divergent names, though, but weakness wise, this is a nice name to be in. I'm just watching Tesla. Tesla has been very good since the open. I caught a little bit of that open actually Tesla, but it's holding. Apple's weak too.
SPY is holding. You do have some betas that are strong. Look at Nvidia. Nvidia is strong and AMD is strong today. AMD also bought back the entire downside move.
Microsoft, Netflix kind of retained whole thing. Held at 10. One of these moves will be favored, so either the shorts or the longs. We have to wait and see.
Keep it real. I know what I'm
I
talking
think
to me.
long side wins, but it's just my 2 cents. I think there's a lot of hold here, 562, and I mean Tesla. Obviously, you're in a diverging name, so you're fine for sure.
100% they candle
fine,
with.
I'm done for the day.
100%
Yeah.
is candle
I'm
with.
holding.
100% is candle with.
Yeah.
I know.
But
I
I
can
think
read
this
it.
563.76 level pre-market pivot area.
Fuck no, I can't.
This
shit
candle, if
crazy.
it rejects there and next candle they flip red, the whole candle engulfs. Again, just calling what I'm saying. Market self.
I ain't gonna say, feel me? I just ain't like this shit because off the 5 EMA, it was to that 200. And it wicked up there to 200 and it straight closed. But I guess I probably should have seen this, how buyers push this candle up. You feel me? It's a dollar move. But let's see how it close.
Or hold stick stepping now.
Oh man, I can't even. Damn. Oh yes, I can. Not even. Oh my bad. What the?
Look at Netflix. It's kind of interesting how it bought back that entire move. Almost the entire gap down has been bought up, just a few points
They
away.
opened above that 10-10. That the 10-10 they needed to hold that. Like the fact that they did that, they just self-learn. So for the next short trade idea on this, we need to look at 10-10. If it does, I'll go short.
Yeah.
I don't too much like Apple no more. It's near 200. I want to do either Amazon or
Candle still on
ABGO.
Tesla. Holding still, guys. 281 run.
Hold on.
For me.
Oh, I thought it's out to 15. But still.
Be careful, guys. 5 seconds till. What do we have? What is song? What's in the docket right now? Oh,
ISM.
yeah.
Holy,
Okay,
that
little
shit
popper.
crazy volatility.
ISM 10 o'clock.
Some IVTC on the contract. We're sitting at break even here, guys, on these runners. 281 will be my stop. Okay.
That shit, yeah.
We entered at 282.
Bro, that
So
shit
there
got
is a
up
lot of
above the
IVTC at the
200.
open funds.
God damn.
there's the rip here in SPY. But we do have supply above us now, 566. It's still 2 hours away. I'd watch to see now if we can hold 563.
I don't know. That
That's a
shit
new
must
level.
report it good or some shit.
Sometimes patience doesn't pay. Damn, look at that. There's just a crazy rip.
Hell no.
Yeah.
It had, bro. Bro, what? Let's see. Let's see. This is interesting.
Okay, that candle high is going to be my top guys on Tesla runners. Still holding.
I wonder if I can short Amazon out there 187.36. Let's see what it do.
You guys can define risk accordingly. You want to add, you can do whatever you want. That 281, whatever that high candle high is, that will be my risk stop. 282, 281.
I'm gonna go ahead and load the Amazon.
I'm happy with it. So, honestly, I didn't expect a lot at the open, but they did more than what I wanted them to do.
Back to back rolling up.
Rick, no level at 564. At 565, 566 is my level on SPY. I see 564. Really see 565 as the next level.
So apparently we did just break out of the. It still got to close. Last minute or two, we can see like where we're gonna close. I guess. Not I guess, but damn, bro, what the fuck. We're gonna see where we want to close. But it is above the 21 off the 15. Looking like it wicked at the 50.
I actually do agree with you, Ascension. This does look a little trappy now.
Let's see. May load.
You
What's the
can kind of
name?
see,
I mean, may get in Amazon right
280
now.
there, like,
Let's
what is
see.
that? The big, you said they'll put a lipstick on it, right? They're doing that
No
right
close above the 21. Let's see. 30 minutes. I mean, 30. What? 30 seconds.
I'm not going to say anything because they'll get mad if I say it.
I really want this candle to close first, and then I'll jump in.
So scalp worthy though, but everything is.
That to me does not look so good.
Still in this case, like I said, you can do whatever you want. 282 risk, right? So if you want to add, you can just define risk. If you're,
I'm gonna get in
you
on
know what you're doing,
Amazon.
you can. I'm just holding this current run up because I have two sets of cons. One con is still up very green, and then the other sitting a break
I
even.
just like how it closed
The
below.
one that I signaled.
It wicked up there at the 20. I mean, wicked up there at the 50. I'm sorry. Wicked up there at the 50. Closed below the 21. And closed below the
Either it goes or it doesn't.
The
Simple
8
as that. These
and
are
the
us.
13.
We'll see.
Yeah, the 5, 8, then
Market has to
13.
flip here.
So let's
if
see.
it does for it to happen. The risk to highs is about 3-4% here, guys. That 281, 70 or whatever that thing is. Okay. So that's the risk on runners. Or close to break even on runners. Yeah. There is a little bit of decay since we entered because IV has dropped, but these cons are still holding. So risk to runners, you guys know what it is.
Shit gotta go up. Let's do it. I mean, go down. What am I talking about?
There you go. All right.
Nice.
Oh, if we lose 562, that could be a really good short trigger
Hey.
today.
Yeah, no, puts are moving
5%.
really well. I actually shut its by 65 risk. They're moving well. I'm glad we stayed in this position also. We just need this to break. If we break 562, I think Tesla breaks lows and becomes a trend. We just need to see if they want to do it now or wait until the hour mark.
It'd be pretty cool if this shit
Manage your
fucking
position,
flush.
guys. Tesla saw 20% plus already. Over green again. Roscus 4%, maybe
Whoa.
3 or 4%. $20-$30
That's a
month.
candle? That's a candle wick?
About right back up.
I know I'm in the trade. I know. But this is a candle. You can't even see the candle. Holy.
Wow.
I was up 6%.
Wasn't there.
So
What the hell?
it's still holding.
I don't know what it was. Tesla's still weak though. Tesla's still under 280 now. Let's keep going. Yeah, that's exactly the 7-minute mark. That was the 562.50 entry from Friday.
Long short.
Long trip. But Tesla's still doing well on the short. Tesla and Apple are doing the opposite of the market. Nvidia is joining the party here, looks like. Yeah.
564 breaks, it's bullish.
Yeah.
Maybe I should have.
563.70.
So I might have a little bit longer.
Okay, I mean,
Yeah,
Tesla's
seen
doing so.
spy. But that's all good. We ended the win. Let's see. My finger is on the trigger. I'm nearing my stop right now. Around like 10%. Let's see.
263.70 right here on SPY, 273.80. 56, I keep saying 260, 563.80. Nice. We can, oh my God, if they flip this candle under, it's probably going to be super nice for us on Tesla. Let's see. Hit this. Stop. Give us a trend, come on.
All right, finger is on the trigger. Nearing the stops. Around that
Push
50.
one way with conviction.
Let's see.
Why candle right off for that 580 level that I mentioned. Tesla's under 580 now.
Damn, Q just flushed. All right, I'm out. 8%. Really, like that was like
What
8,
the hell's
9.
going on here?
Not a bad trade on my end. I ain't gonna say not a bad trade,
Just let me get
but
a
it
clear
wasn't.
read on
It
something.
wasn't the best setup. It wasn't the best entry. Yeah, it wasn't. I probably kind of rushed it
Moving my
a
stop
little bit,
again
just
on
a
Tesla
hair,
to
just a hair.
281.
I think I should just go long and
I'm
do
gonna
that.
go, it has to go right now. There's another 280 reclaim. I'm like,
On to the next trade. No big deal.
I still holding too, so it has to go now. just has to right now.
Because
No
like
one
if you look at
force,
the market, I mean, I guess all these shits are just doing whatever they want to do. Fucking
They build up the liquidity. They
SPY
gotta
and
take it
QQQ
out.
is not in sync.
They can't do it
Nvidia
right.
is fucking doing what it want to do, and Amazon, I guess.
Fine,
But where's
stop
Apple?
waffling around here.
Apple's at still at demand
I
200.
think it's gonna flip.
I think if it holds 563, it's bullish though now. Again. I'm looking.
Yeah, it's just the level.
Let's see.
Pushing the grain of the tape. So
He's
just
talking about,
have
yeah, it's just a
The
level.
only issue now is you do have Nvidia selling.
the fact that you're still saying that the level is holding, right? Like that's actually a dangerous sign. Unless they have to
Yeah,
push
this
it
definitely
quickly.
look like the upside
If they
move.
don't,
Ain't gonna
like,
lie.
they keep
Amazon, I like
painting,
Amazon.
inviting more people in.
Yeah, you gotta take out 564 again.
I'll be willing to get in Amazon again. Hopefully, it
Guys,
won't
I just loaded my
close
1DE
close
spy
above.
calls, the 564 spy calls.
What's the name? But it's level. Let's see.
Just get them loaded.
And I'm gonna go back and see, bro. I'm gonna load Brett. What's the name as well? But I'm gonna go back and see, like, I could have sworn I said
We're on the right play, guys.
shorted off this level. I
280.50 now.
probably should have waited a little longer. You feel me? Should have waited a little longer. But on to the next. Oh, good.
That's another 20%, by the way. When I said you guys want to add, you can.
What's it for?
So of course, literally like 3 or 4%.
If I do take this straight, I'm just going to use that 563 as risk. That's my intention here. I'll let you guys know.
So right at the 21.
Nvidia is selling though. Look at this Nvidia chart.
Look at Nvidia. I mean,
going back to that level.
Amazon. Let's
stuff.
see. Hopefully it closed like this. Let's see. Hopefully it do. Really.
Every beta is ticking red.
Not strong. Like just because it's green, they're just like painting.
Microsoft right at the edge.
Apple is the biggest sign. You had the Apple, right, Mike?
Yeah, the 202.
That's crazy. No one never been very. I don't know how the contract moved. They probably moved well, better than it.
Bro, I didn't see this shit happen.
They moved really well. It just didn't really give a pullback entry for the chat.
All right, let's see if we can push it. 5 candle wick of that 563.
My bad. I'm just tapping on my success right now.
We need to lose 562, and Tesla probably breaks loss.
Yeah, this shit got a whole bunch of what's in there. Yeah, shout out to Cunningham for real. I appreciate this. It was my birthday present. This book. For
I'm gonna
real.
move my stop to 280 now.
Shit dope. I
280.3.
forwarded already. I ain't never read no book. Introductory. Introductory. I never read too many books in introduction. Hold on, I be tweaking on my words sometimes, bro, and I know I can speak.
Yeah.
That'd be the crazy part.
Yes.
Yeah, introduction. Crazy. So let's see what Amazon do off this level. See.
Come on. Dump.
ABGO. Below 200. I ain't even. I'm gonna just keep my eyes on the prize. I'm gonna just look at Amazon. I still got it loaded. Amazon.
Right.
I like clicking on
278 now on Tesla. They're picking up here. Wow.
It closed below the
Back up
50.
20% again. Even without ads or anything.
Right at that zone.
But if you did, that's another almost 30% right for you.
Apple.
278.
Look, he's trying to break.
I still hold
It's
it.
breaking.
All right, guys, I just got filled on SPY at 2.57. My stop loss is going to be under 563.
Why not? Let's do it. I ain't gonna say why not, but let's do it. You feel me? 563.
Stop loss, just basically just risking that candle low to stop.
And I
No
did.
ads.
I changed my what's in there. That shit was too damn dark.
Intended size here. I want to see if SPY can hold 563. If it can, it's bullish. It's my average is right now at 2.57.
Fuck me.
This 278 here on Tesla. Line in the sand.
Bro, I would be down, bro. I'd be down, bro.
I'm hoping we get some volatility on this one.
I'd be down, bro. I fucking put, bro. Bro? Am I serious right now, bro? Am I serious right now, bro? Am I serious right now, bro?
280 is my new stop now, guys. So just keep moving
That's
my
bro.
stops as the
What the
stock keeps
fuck,
going
bro?
in our
I
favor.
ain't even tripping, but bro, what the like?
278 breaks, I'll move to 279.
I just loaded put, bro. I just loaded put.
So right now, just holding this position.
I just loaded fucking put, bro. I don't know why the hell I just loaded.
7%. I'm not taking trims though. I just want to see us clear out these highs first. 563.80.
Come on, bro. Tighten up, fam. Come on, bro. Fuck it. I can't even get in. I'm wondering like why the fuck my shit not going up.
First.
Like, what the fuck? Whole time my nigga was like, come on, bro. That's me, bro. I don't even know how. What? That don't even make no sense. I don't even know. That's a first. That's a real first. Anyway,
okay.
All good, bro.
All right, guys. I just took some trims at 10%, 11% here in SPY, just to cover my risk. 11% on first trim. Stop loss now simply going to be the same as it was before. We're not changing that. But we're high day here, so let's not be animals. My best entry on SPY would have been earlier, but I just wanted to get in. I didn't want to just sit here all day and just talk about longs that I didn't take. So
I'm like, how the fuck the stock going up? But
stop loss now simply under. You know what I'll do? I'll make it tight.
That shit is crazy.
30.
It's all good, bro. It's all good. I'm finna come back. I'm finna come back harder than ever. That's what. It's $34 on the L. Fuck all that.
Got a minute to kind of was.
Better you in zeros because I'm on zeros. I'm in Mondays.
Are you in zeros?
Oh my god. No, I'm in Mondays. No, I'm in Mondays. Oh, we're good. Sorry, I thought I made a mistake.
God damn, so did.
It's
all good though, bro. Like
50, 60, 50% more than
still
13%, 14% now. Yeah, they're moving well. I saw them moving well. That's why I went for these. Dude, if I got in 0 days after dogging 0 days all weekend, that would that would have been such a joke. I would like 13% here in SPY, guys. My stop is going to be 563.40. Just a risk. That was just a risk reward trade. We were risking. You're risking like 30 cents for
like looking over, paying attention. You feel me?
Couple of good scalps, guys. Hope you guys are starting green. The week.
Guys, the 1 days did move like that. We're right now they're trading at 2.82 from a 2.57 or 2.56 average. It just depends what you're getting filled at, right?
The video looked like calls. I cannot lie. The market want to go up. Let's see.
They're holding that 278. Damn it.
Left, right. Calls, puts. I don't even know how. I don't even know how.
They'll give it later in the day.
I don't even know how I just like that on my shit, bro. I swear. That was a real
just don't want to see an ATM reclaim.
It's all good.
They built all of this. If they don't do a breakdown, it's pointless. They just have to flip right now. It's a now trade. It's not like a buy and hold trade. It just needs to happen now. We're still green on these funds. Just letting you guys know. They have to flip this now. The whole market does. Otherwise, it's not going to go. That's last week, but it has to get cooperation from other than market also.
563.50 is my hard stop on runners. Just letting you guys know. I sold about half my trade already. I'm not baggy holding here, guys. We're just trading trend. So if the trend is going to keep going, it has to hold here.
The top of that candle, that second to last green candle.
Nice. Let's see. Come on.
I'm back to still green here, about
Look in the
4%
video.
here.
Shit selling crazy.
This has to hold though. If it doesn't hold, I sell. 560, 350. It could still form a wick here, so let's just be patient. Betas are holding. NVIDIA's back at that hold spot. 113 still support on NVIDIA. Apple's basing off that support at 200 as well. So
I
we're not
wonder
really
why I don't
touching
have
100,
NVIDIA
200, but
113 as support.
if it reclaims
That's
200, it
crazy.
should be good. That's actually a problem
You
here
can
on
see it
Apple.
literally.
Apple has to get about 200. Netflix strong.
Hold on, let me mark that shit out. I'm gonna do 113 on the dot. Oops. I just went down there.
I put 78 back on play here. It's doing what I wanted to. That's what I said. It has to happen now. There it goes. 278 goes. It has to happen now. Wow. Perfect. Nice.
563, 30. All right, I sold my position on SPY at break even. At 2.53, I sold my position. Keeping my trade entirely green. I don't want to give back a single dollar. Actually, I gave back $2, but I'm actually surprised we're selling right now, to be honest, because
At 564.
Not a long bias. Right now they're showing stuff, but it's not.
But you guys, I don't want to hear people saying they flipped from green to red. We were up. Yeah, I had enough. Yeah, that was my Michael. It's exactly right. I had to have it cleared. That's why.
All right, I just believed we had to move up. We had to move up, and then we had this move down. We had this break, then the retest, and then it just broke. And I was waiting for this kind of I kind of got in like right here. I'm sitting like break even. Anyway, I just seen this. I was waiting for this to play out. Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna have my stops tight. I'm gonna have like fucking the 50. 50, no cap. Let's see. Because I really just believe this was gonna go down, or is gonna go down. Let's see. I sold. Yeah, I ain't taking no more trades. A lot more practice I gotta do. That's it. No, nothing. You feel me? Straight like that. Yeah.